Hey guys, welcome to the Start Your Fashion Business channel. My name is Stephanie and I'm the host of this channel. If you want to learn about all things fashion business, then you have come to the right place. I'm a sustainable brand owner and an ethical garment producer, and I'm also a fashion business coach. I started this YouTube channel so that I can share with you my fashion business tips to help you on your journey to starting or scaling your fashion brand. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be creating reels for my Instagram account, Start Your Fashion Business, and make sure to follow that account if you haven't yet already. I'm popping all the links below as well so you can check it out. But apart from that, I'm also going to show you how to create reels for your fashion brand, because there's different types of reels that you can create. There's obviously reels where you would be the focal point and you're jumping in, maybe you're sharing some educational content or information about your fashion brand, which is obviously very, very helpful if you are a service provider or a coach, a consultant. And sometimes you can also do those types of reels for your actual brand, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that, but I will also show you how you can create beautiful aesthetic reels that will feature your products and, you know, obviously using very trending audio and all of that, so that, you know, you have this beautiful video where, you know, your products are showcased there and people don't really feel like they're being sold to. It's more of a lifestyle. So I have a 3-step process that makes this whole entire thing just easy. You know, you're actually gonna have fun if you can nail this process down. So the first thing that you need to do is to plan. So planning is number 1. With planning, I mean that you actually have to be on Instagram and look at how other people are doing their reels and actually saving the reels that you like, saving the audio that you like, so that you have a catalog of reels that you can then create for your own account. Because if you don't plan it and you're just winging it, it's gonna take time and you're not gonna actually like the process because you're gonna be frustrated. So planning is key. What I always do is I sit down and I go through like the Reel Explorer page, and if I like something, I just save it, and I save multiple so that I can then eventually batch this content. And step number 2 is organization, because without organization, you are going to be frustrated. You know, like I've sometimes done this before in the past where I just try to wing it and then it doesn't even give me the best results. So I prefer to plan everything out, saving all of the reels, and then once I have everything, I would organize it. I would know exactly what outfits I'm going to wear. I would make sure that I'm comfortable to shoot. Like right now, I'm in my studio, so everything is beautifully set up. So it's easy for me to just jump in and create those reels. And if you're not the one that's going to be in the reel, when I talk about planning, it's actually like planning out. Oops, I have my notifications on. Planning out what types of videos you're going to be creating these reels with. So perhaps, you know, you were taking content at a photo shoot, making sure you have access to that folder and knowing exactly like what cuts and edits and you know, kind of the montage that you are going to do. So organization is key. I highly recommend either, you know, writing it down, have a notebook, write down like reel 1, this is what I'm going to be doing. You know, reel 2, these are the videos I'm going to be featuring. Whatever that is, you want to be organized. And this leads me to step 3. After you plan, you organize, you have to execute. You got to do it. Whether that means that you're stepping in and doing the reels, which is what I'm going to be doing today and showing you, or you're going to be, you know, sitting down, editing your reels using all of the content that you have pre-recorded. So I hope this sounds simple. And just to show you guys like really how I do it, I'm actually going to time me doing reels because I want to show you that it doesn't take forever to actually create content. As long as you know, are planning, you're organizing, and you're executing, you can batch content really quickly. And for today, I'm actually going to be creating around 7 to 9 reels. So again, this goes back to the organization and the planning, right? Because I know that for the next month, I need X amount of reels. And this is going to look different for each and one of you, obviously, because you might do reels 3 times a week, or maybe you're doing it every day. I mean, that's completely up to you. You have to find something that works. But for my Start Your Fashion Business account, I have a reel basically 2 to 3 times a week. So I need around 10 to 12 reels a month. But now I already have 2 scheduled for this month. So I basically have to create the rest. And I'm really excited because I got very inspired this morning. I already saved all of the reels that I want to recreate. So, and I'm ready, you know, I'm wearing my cute outfit, got my makeup on, you know, this is also part of organization, and I'm ready to go. And again, if you are, you know, needing to change outfits and all of that, make sure that that's part of your organization. Have all of those outfits ready, have all of your props ready. I know for a fact today I'm going to be like wearing my glasses, but I quite like being in the same outfit because it's from a branding perspective, it just looks more cohesive in my feed for Start Your Fashion Business. But hey, if you want to change outfit, you do you. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to get set up and then we're gonna hit the timer and record these reels. Okay guys, so before we get started, I am going to set the timer. So I want to show you guys that, so I saved like, I would say 12 reels. So these are all the ones I am going to do. This is the reel I'm going to be creating. And as you can see, like you could do this, let's say with your products, like as a flat lay, and it's just like with a trending audio on top of it and some text. And it's just so simple. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to be showing my desk and, you know, very simple. This is going to probably take me 2 minutes to make. There you go, guys. I just recorded that, and all I have to do is add the text and then, you know, done. You know, you could do the same for your products. Like you could add all your products, like make it very cute, obviously, and then just put a sound over it. And there you go. It's done. Now, guys, I am going to show you how to do a reel where you're using pre-recorded content already. So this really works if, let's say, you have a photo shoot and you have like iPhone videos like BTS, whatnot. You can chop it up, put like a trending audio over it, and make a very cute reel. So I'm going to show you an example here. I found one with an audio that I actually really like, so I'm going to use it, and it's just simple. So let me show you. So I found this reel and I thought that the audio is really cute.
There's nothing else you need. The only thing you need to wear well is your confidence.
See, like
confidence is your...
You could totally use this audio and put like a really cute video of your new collection or whatever that is. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing it. So use audio. So I'm going to use this video.
Confidence is your best accessory.
And this video.
Confidence is your... You need to wear well.
There you go, guys. You want to see
best
it?
Accessory. There's nothing else you need. The only thing you need to wear well is your confidence.
Saved. So let's see how many I have made. Okay, so I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 reels, guys. And it's only been 9 minutes. So I just want to literally make this video to show you guys that it's not hard to make reels, and it's an important skill to learn, guys, especially if you are an online brand. You need to learn how to do this, or you have to hire a social media manager. But yes, if you obviously want to learn more, I have the SYFB Accelerator program that will help you so that you can build your confidence as a fashion entrepreneur, because confidence is key. The more confident and the more you know how to do your shit, then it's going to be easy, guys. It's going to be very easy. In fact, I enjoy creating reels. It's one of my favorite things to do as a brand owner because it's fun. You get to create. And I know maybe some of you might feel anxious about jumping on videos and all of that, but it doesn't mean that you can't create reels. I just showed you guys 2 reels that I made where I'm not even in them. So if you guys have any questions, let me know below. And don't forget to follow me at Start Your Fashion Business and also my other Instagram account so you can see all the reels that I create there. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel too, because I share lots of fashion business tips and just so much more. I also have a free Facebook group, so if you want to be surrounding yourself with like-minded fashion entrepreneurs, hop inside there. Everything is below, and I will see you in the next one.